how to fix Unity sorry link problem, which is right here. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So if you're having a problem, which is right here, there are certain ways that we can do to fix this. So the first thing is to go here on the search bar and then type CMD. And then once you do that, click Run as Administrator. And then once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to type ipconfig and then space / release and then click enter. Once you do that, just type ipconfig again, but this time we're going to type renew. So click and then click enter. And then once it is done, the next thing that we need to do is to type ipconfig again, but this time we're going to type /dns and then click enter. And then once it is done, just restart or reboot your PC and then see if Unity is now working. Now, if your Unity is still not working, the next thing that we can do is to go on the settings right there and then go here on the network and internet and then click the Wi-Fi. So click this, click your internet property right here. And then what we need to do is to turn our internet from public network into a private network, which is right there. So just convert it into a private network. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go into our browser. So just open our browser right here. So let's say, for example, that you are using Microsoft Edge. So all you have to do is to go here on the top right corner and then click the 3 dots, which is right there. And then click this delete browsing data. So after that, if you want to delete that also, you can do that, but I will just gonna delete the cache images and files. So let's clear that. So right there. So once you do that, you can try it if your Unity is now working. But if it still doesn't, the last resort that we have is to go here on the settings again. So just click settings right here and then go here on the privacy and security and then on the Windows security, which is right there. Just open your firewall and network protection. And then what we're going to do here is to, of course, let's click allow an app through firewall and then just look for, of course, the Unity, which is right here. So you can just look for the Unity. So once you see it, all you have to do is to, of course, put a check mark right there. And then, of course, once you do that on the private and public, you also put a check mark. And then once you do that, your problem should now be fixed. So that is basically it. That is how to fix Unity sorry link problem.